How to ensure your home offer is accepted in today's competitive market. I've been in real estate for over 20 years and the landscape has changed dramatically. Gone are the days when listings were abundant and sellers were thrilled to receive even one offer. In today's tight market, it's more common than not to encounter multiple offer situations. So how can I ensure your offer stands out? Number one, you gotta choose your agent wisely. Do your due diligence. Make sure your agent is active in the market and well regarded, both with peers and clients. Look for reviews on Zillow to get a sense of their reputation. Be proactive. Your agent should get back to you promptly, offering insights not just on listed homes, but also on off-market properties. Number three, you have to understand the market. Before making an offer, ask your agent to provide a comprehensive market analysis. This is going to guide you on how to price your offer competitively. Number four, you've got to know the seller. Your agent should communicate with the listing agent to find out what's most important to the seller. Tailor your offer to meet the seller's needs while obviously keeping your own priorities in mind. Number five, be swift but calculated. Time is of the essence, but rushing can lead to mistakes. Choose your agent carefully, as their guidance can be the deciding factor in whether your offer is accepted. If you are serious about securing your dream home, let's schedule a buyer consultation to discuss your needs in greater detail.